Hello everyone, good day. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadullo, the owner of this channel, a teacher in profession whose passion is making video tutorials. Okay, today I will teach you how to convert video files from one format to another. Okay, when are we going to convert our video files? When, for example, you downloaded a video file to your for example, cell phone and it couldn't be played because it is not supported by the file format. So no problem to that because there is already a tool that we can use in converting a video file from one format to another, depending on the format that you wanted to be converted or the format that you wanted. Okay, so what is that particular tool that we're going to use is Format Factory. So this is just free. You can download this one from the internet. So here, by the way, this Format Factory, this is the latest version, I think, which I upgraded last time. This is Format Factory 4.2.0. By the way, this Format Factory is not only for converting video files, but you can also convert audio and pictures and some documents. You can also use this one. So for today's tutorial, so we will just convert a video file or video files or video file. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have different format here, video format. So we have here for mobile devices. We have here MUX, which I don't know some of this video format. I'm just familiar with mp4, the EVI. We have the GIF, the WMB, and you have the MPEG. Uh, you have the BOV, we have the MOV, and FLB, and SWF. So these are the different video file formats that are available in this Format Factory tool. Okay, let us see, for example, you downloaded a video and it doesn't play in your mobile device because it's not supported or it's too large in size or whatever problem. Let's say too large in size na lang. So what are you going to do is, of course, to select mobile device. Okay, then you can choose among the sizes available. You can have here mobile device compatible mp4 360p to AVC. We also have mobile device for compatible EVI. Another is mobile device compatible 3GP. So you can choose anything in there. Let us see, I will choose the first one here, 360. 360, so that's a very small size, so it can be accommodated in your cell phone if you, for example, have a low desk space in your cell phone. So there's no problem on that anymore because we have a Format Factory who will do the work. So after selecting, you just click here OK. And then since we already have here selected the output setting, the same as the previous one, just click the add file and choose what video are you going to convert. So I will choose San Juanico. Then just open. And then if you will look into the file format, is 3GP and the size is 86.69 megapixel, and the video size is too big, 1280 by 720. Okay, let us now click OK so we can start our conversion. So let us click start. Okay, so we have here the conversion state. So this is the actual size here, and this is the size that is to being shown to us after the conversion. Let's see how the size is being decreased. Okay, there you have it. We are done. Okay, since we are done, we can check the file that we have or the converted file. So as you can see, my dear viewers, the file size is decreases from 86.69 M to 6.1, meaning 7% of the size is the result of the compression. Okay, let us minimize this one so we can check our file. Oh no, let us, oh, this is our output. Okay, so I have here 3 San Juanico. So the latest one is this one. The others are my trial a while ago. Okay, as you can see, we have already the mp4 format. Okay, so that's the quality of the video. But if you will transfer this one to your cell phone, it will not look like that. It will be in landscape form. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, that is already in the mp4 format. So it's now ready for you to transfer to your mobile device in a low disk device, and there's no problem on the space anymore because there is a tool for you to convert the size of your video. Okay, my dear viewers, if you like my video, just click the like button, or you can subscribe my channel for more videos in the future. I hope you like it, and if you have some comments, questions, you can just comment below. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my future videos. Thank you so much. See you on my next video, my dear viewers.